Hello and welcome to our video on using a CNC machine to create a custom sign. Before we dive into the world of wood routing, we want to remind you of the importance of supporting content creators like us. By hitting the like and subscribe buttons, you're not only showing your support for our channel, but you're also ensuring that you never miss out on any of our future videos. So, before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started on creating beautiful woodwork together. CNC, or computer numerical control, machines are becoming increasingly popular in the sign-making industry. These machines use a computer program to control the cutting and shaping of materials, making the process more precise and efficient than traditional methods. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating a custom sign using a CNC machine. We will cover the design phase, where we will create the design for the sign using software such as Adobe Illustrator or AutoCAD. We will then show you how to prepare the file for the CNC machine and how to properly load the materials into the machine. Next, we will demonstrate how the CNC machine cuts and shapes the materials to create the final sign. We will also touch on some of the advantages of using a CNC machine, such as increased precision and efficiency, and how it can save time and money in the long run. Lastly, we will show you how to finish and install the sign, giving you a final product that is not only beautiful but also durable and long-lasting. So, whether you're a professional sign maker or a enthusiast, this video will provide you with valuable information on how to create a custom sign using a CNC machine. Thank you for watching and we hope you found this video helpful.